Welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. This is Welbon Omar Salam from Wilmington Graphic Design. And today we're going to create some templates. Okay? We're going to create some business card templates, some flyer templates, some poster templates. Basically, just how we have it here, right? In the last video, I showed you how to set up the preset details with the bleed for various different print designs, but now we're going to go in here and actually do the thing. Okay, create, and if you don't have your ruler on already, click Control R. It toggles the ruler on or off. Okay, that's where you grab your guidelines from. Grab it, snap it in here. Now if it doesn't snap like it just did, you want to go up here to View, scroll down to Snap, and make sure Snap is on. There's also a keyboard shortcut, Shift Control semicolon. Now what we want to do is grab the top right here, drag it down so the snaps on the line. This is the edge. Currently we have this at, and let's bring these back. Let's grab this and bring this in here. Grab this and bring this in here. Grab this and bring this in here. It's kind of jumbled up, so we're going to hit Window, Workspace, and just hit some essentials. Oh wow, what's the essentials look like? Ugh. Let's reset the essentials. There we are. Okay. I do like my layers. I can see more of my layers. I don't really care for the properties or anything like that. I'm gonna stick that up there somewhere. The adjustments and the libraries. I like to see more of my layers. Okay. Swatches are up here. There we are. Okay. Now, and I like this on this line. You can get that going. Right in there. Boom. And then we can grab this, expand the panels, put it against the wall, and we can push it against the wall like that. That's how I want it. Now, this is what's next. We're going to grab our left panel here, our left guideline here, and drag it to the right. Now, this is where the end of the document is. This is the bleed. We want to hit Control Alt C, or you can go up top and hit image canvas size, right? And we're going to change this to 3.5, the actual cut size, and I'll show you why. I'm gonna hit relative, and we can hit -0.25. What this does right here is reduce it by whatever you want, or increase it by whatever you want. All right, and I want it coming in equally on all sides. If I wanted it coming in only on the left side and having 0.25 of an inch cut on one side, then it would only come in on one side. But I want it equally on all sides, so it'll come in half of this on each side, because there are only two sides to divide this by. So it's going to come in equally 1/8 of an inch on either side. Okay, watch. And it's going to hit proceed. Now while it's here, let's go back. I'm going to show you another way. Control Shift C. Control Alt C. I can just tell it what I want. 3.5, 2. See, same thing. Boom. Proceed, same thing. Now make new guidelines on the edge. This is how you get it. This is how you cut it perfect. It'll snap right in place instead of eyeballing it. We don't want to eyeball it with the ruler and stuff. We want to get it perfect. So use this tool. I formulated how to do this long time ago. Snap it to the edge, keep it moving. Just change the canvas size, right? And also now we want to do our margin. So you want to come in even further. How much do you want a margin? I want a 1/4 of an inch margin. Okay. To get a 1/4 of an inch margin, we need to double that to 1/2 inch. So relative, we want to come in -0.5. negative 0.5. Proceed. It should be double this. There you go. Then drag them out. This is your safe zone. This is the safe zone. I'll put all your text here. If you have a prominent image, put it here. Background colors and background patterns, that's fine. But anything you need to be text, you need a clear margin around. Why? Why do we need that? Number one, the space is the space that is shown will show. The space around will be uniform. Okay. Number two, nothing will be hanging off into the cut zone right here. This is the cut zone. This is the end of the document. This is the in between. Here's the bleed. Here's the cut zone. Here's the cut line. And here's your margin. You always want to keep a margin for error. Just to keep that margin. Nothing outside of here. So your text will go all the way to here. On the right hand side, we would write text, right aligned. On the left hand side, we would write text left aligned. Right? That is it for the business card. Wait a minute, what was this? This is a poster? Oh, excuse me. This is for the poster. Wait a minute. I must have named that wrong. Because this is not a poster. This is a business card. Why did it happen like that? Anyhow, so we're gonna save as. Oh, excuse me. Let's go back and increase, because we always want to start it at 3.75 by 2.25 and bring it all the way back out, right? And when you put your background in here, boom, and then you design it to the edge of this. You design the words, excuse me, and the prominent images to this margin. Okay, but you want to extend all of the background, if you have a full bleed, all the way to the edge of here. All right, and this is your cut line. Now we're going to save it just like this. Save as, and we're going to go and do go to Wilmington Graphic Design. Open up a new folder, and this is going to be business card. Obviously not 36 by 48, but this is going to be horizontal. Okay, and we're going to hit save. We don't really want to put the color in there. Color profile, it doesn't matter right now. Hit save, and now it is saved as a Photoshop document. You can always go back in here and load it back up and get moving without having to set this all up again. Okay, this by far is one of the best things that you can do for yourself to move your graphic design agency or your entrepreneur or solopreneurship. We're moving fast. Streamlined. Okay, if you have 5-6 designs, you don't want to start setting this up every single time. Just to get you done a lot faster. All right. And if you want a copy of this, okay, if you want a copy of this, you can. I'll leave a link in the description to bring you to our website, and we'll have it on our website. Okay, at WilmingtonGraphicDesign.com. All right. You can just sign up for our newsletter, and we'll drop you all of these templates. All right. I'll have it in Google Drive. Okay. There we are, and let's get going on the next one. The next one is very simple. All you have to do is what? Rotate this clockwise. Done. The best part, and Google found out that they need to adjust. Excuse me, not Google. Photoshop found out that they need to change the guidelines as well, because they didn't used to do this. Adobe used to just allow you to rotate everything, but the guidelines was all wonky. As you know, so they changed it. I appreciate that. We talked and you listened, right, Adobe? All right. And go ahead and save this. Save as, and you're just gonna say vertical. Vertical. All right. Did I type that in there right? Vertical. There we are. Save. And now let's just move to another one. File, new. Yeah, we hit business card. Maybe I clicked something else. Saved. Let's see. Business card vertical. Maybe I clicked way down here. Yeah, I had something else on. Anyhow. Let's go to flyer. Create. Alright, so this is our 5x7 flyer. Let's just go ahead and just do this. I'm not going to talk, I'm just going to do it, alright? Here we go. Relative. And make sure that relative is off. So add all of that right back. Or subtracted was negative. There we are. I like the little hiccups. Then you know if you're doing something right or wrong. Alright guys, so just continue those out until everything is done. And you know, I'll have all of them as a link once you sign up for our newsletter. All right? Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye. P.S. Check out our other videos.